How to reach 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. These are my 5 best tips and tricks. Getting right to it, tip and trick number 1. My first bit of advice for diving into the unknown, that is YouTube, is very simple. Be yourself. YouTube is a place for creation, content, imagination, and learning. Whether you're sharing financial information, artwork, tips, tricks, how-to videos, tutorials, pictures and videos of your cats, your family, daily life. YouTube can also be a place to develop your professional skills, communication, and develop relationships. Personally, my favorite draw to YouTube is music. It's a great source for discovering new bands and musicians, as well as reminiscing with some of your favorite old songs of the past. That concludes my little blurb on my first tip and trick. Be yourself. On to tip and trick number 2. My next bit of advice: clear, concise communication. You're going to want to talk with your fans. You're going to want to convey your information in your videos as clearly and concisely as possible. Communication is going to be more than just what you verbalize and talk about. It's going to be also visual. The graphics you show, the links you provide, the citing and references you use to compile your information. All of these will be good triggers and key points for communicating to your followers and future subscribers. One way to graphically communicate successfully is thumbnails. This is the very first moment a user will know what your video is about. Here are a few thumbnails I've taken from videos I've helped compile. I have not found my particular niche yet, but I do enjoy making music videos for groups like Folkfaces and Tyler Westcott, Dirty Blanket, and the Honey Smugglers. And I've also been inspired by financial people like DLITZTV and that one ZipTrader guy. Oh, you're still watching. Didn't think you would. My third tip and trick would be make content. I think that one's pretty self-evident, you know. If you're on YouTube, that's where people watch things. You're either a watcher or you're going to be a creator. So start creating. I don't know what you do. Tell me. Show me. Teach me. A few of the ways I've been trying to create some content has been showing off some apps that many people can download on their phone. Cash App is one of them. Cash App allows you to invest in stocks and Bitcoin and sell money. There's other financial apps like Robinhood, where you can also buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies or purchase stocks. Webull is another one. You'll see many weekly challenges where people try and invest $500 every week and see how much they can gain. I don't know. Be original. Create your own challenge. YouTube, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, is a social media. A media where we all connect and share information. There will be truth. There will be fallacy. You won't always find the correct answer, but you'll find plenty of information that you can divulge yourself. You can make your own opinion from. You're still watching. Thanks. If you stayed this long, my next bit of advice for you: interact. You as a channel should interact with other channels. Reach out, comment, like, subscribe. Do what you want others to do for you, right? Golden rule. No pressure, but now's your chance to hit that like button if you're watching, and also hit the subscribe button if this was at all helpful to you. I'll be making more stuff in the future. My last and final tip and trick, number 5. Provide incentive. The incentive and reward to watch your videos could very well be the knowledge and experience you've come to share. Personally, I see a lot of incentive in the Acorns app, a lot of access to tons of companies and opportunities, one of them being Fiverr. Join them, $8 invested, and Fiverr is a great community. I'm a part of that one as well. Other incentives could include promise of future content. For me, I kind of want to do some videos on Fiverr. I've seen a couple and kind of intrigues me. I've got some work that I've done, but I don't really have a large customer flow, so maybe I could turn the table and buy something and create a video out of it. See how that goes. I know I've seen Davey504 do that with his bass slapping. I get a lot of entertainment out of that, and I have no idea why. I don't even play bass. I kind of want to now. 1000 is another YouTuber that I've been greatly inspired by. You should check him out. He is an artist with a very unique style. And one last time, I would like to thank you for watching. And just to summarize, be yourself, communicate, create, collaborate, and provide some incentive. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.